Hi, I'm Lisa, Rocking Chair Quilts, and I want to show you today how you can add your binding to a quilt as you're quilting it if you happen to have a long arm machine. So I've got the binding, it's made. They're all sewn together using your 45-degree angle seam. It's pressed so the raw edges are even. I'm going to start on this side, and the way this is laid out is I found the center about and I put it in the middle of the quilt. And now, Gracie, if you want to come in a little closer, I'm going to show. I just lay this on the edge so that raw edges are even. And then I'm going to get my machine over here where I want it. And the edge of the foot is 1/4 inch. I'm not as accurate with 1/4 inch on this machine as I am on my home machine, but it's still good enough for the binding. So you just go ahead and sew all 3 layers. Well, I guess there's more layers than that because you've got your batting and your backing on it too. But where your edges are even. And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to stop 1/4 inch short so that I can get my mitered corner. And I usually just eyeball the 1/4 inch. You do have to cut your thread. My tail up. And then you're going to fold this just like you would on your home machine, where you bring up and fold the 45-degree angle so that this edge here is going straight. Then you're going to fold that back over, hold that in place, get your raw edges even again, and you've got your corner turned. And you're going to come in from the edge on this, but I don't like to start on the edge, so I'm going to start right here, just a little bit away from the edge. Get my tail again. And then I'm going to sew back off the edge and then cut across the top. I'll be sewing my 1/4 inch approximately all the way across. And then when I'm done with this, the binding will be sewn on for the quilt, the first round, and all that's left is to do the hand stitching around on the back side. So that's how you add a binding with your quilting machine as you're quilting the quilt. Thanks for watching. One thing I forgot to tell you was that you can't make your ends meet on this. So when I get all the way, as I advance the quilt, I'll keep going down both sides. When I get to the bottom, I'll turn the corners and I'll come across the bottom. But I will leave tails open so that once this is off the frame, you can take it to your home machine and make your ends meet, and then you'll be ready to do all of your stitching down by hand. Now, thanks for watching.